To you, the world's biggest big lighter, it's Shockwave. The operation of a jet engine is quite simple. You suck the air in the front of the jet engine intake with a fan. Then you got a bunch of smaller blades that compress the air. Then you feed that compressed air into a combustion chamber with an igniter and fuel, and the gases escaping out the back give it thrust. 4 stages. Suck it in, squeeze it up, blow it up, and go. Well, we've got an extra stage on these jet engines that were not there when they were initially built. A little bit of redneck engineering, put an afterburner on them, and they'll throw raw jet fuel into the exhaust and give it a real kick in the pants.